Today finds me at Pondwood. Haven't fished here for a good 18 months, I think, maybe even longer. Going for catfish and carp today. At the moment I've got prawn on a bottom bait and I'm trying on the surface, but they don't seem to be that interested. I'm actually using a surface controller of my own design. Designed it and 3D printed it last night. Definitely a Mark 1 prototype with a bit more to learn and suss out. But I'm hoping to find it quite effective. Got worms, so that I'll be going on the tipper on that tonight, later on. And just see what happens for the carp, whether we stay on the surface or go on the bottom baits. Here till tomorrow afternoon, early evening. Got the same two guys I was with on the previous session, Hayden and Coxie. Mr. Can't Control Catfish Cox, because he done my line 3 different times because he couldn't hold his catfish in control. But he's on peg 2, but I'm on peg 4, so I'm further away from him tonight. So hopefully that won't be an issue. But quite a nice day, forecast to be nice and warm. So hopefully we'll be able to get them feeding well off the top, and get a few carp, and the catfish will get on the munch. As I say, I've got worm and prawn for them. Some clown forgot to bring his squid, which are possibly the best bait he's used here for the catfish. They're still sat in my freezer at home. On the plus side, they're in the freezer, so they won't go off, but silly mistake to make. But there you go. Well, I'm at a complete loss. I've never known this place not produce. Even in the winter I've fished here and had bites. I had one bite first thing this morning, which I lost because I'd managed to hook a carp clip and weight, which was on my hook, so the hook obviously didn't go fully home on the bite, so I lost that after a few seconds, and that is the only bite I've had. Been a nice day. Seen them up on the surface, but could hardly get them to feed. Yes, most bizarre. But I've not seen many come out at all. Even on the what they call catfish corner, which is the far corner, not a lot been coming out. Seen 2 or 3 fish all day, come out all day. As I say, I've never known this place so quiet for producing. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, so I'm really hoping they do get on the munch. But yeah, no, it's a weird one. But it's fishing, and hopefully we'll get a few more before the end of play. Well, it is 6:45 in the evening now, and happy to say all 3 of us have caught. Hayden was the first one to get one on the bank, 13-pound carp, closely followed by a Coxie with a 10-pound carp, and a while later I actually got one on the bank, 13.5-pound catfish. Got photos, so I'll share them either after this bit or in the next clip at the end, like I do normally. yeah, so been slow, but there's a lot of lines in the water tonight. I think nearly every peg's full. So whether that's going to make things better or worse, I don't know. But at least none of us are blanked, and we can relax and enjoy the rest of the session. Well, it's 9 o'clock on day 2. What a night. I've ended up about 15 or 16 catfish. About 2:30 I snapped off on me dipper rig and couldn't be bothered to reset that, so I went down to one rod and it was a lot quieter, so I got some sleep, which due to health reasons I do need me sleep. But yeah, had some good fighting fish, and yeah, I can't complain. I've got one of my cat rods out now because I still couldn't be bothered to set up another one on my carp rods. So at the moment I've got boilie on one and a bunch of worms on the bottom on the other. See what today brings. Well, just starting to pack up now. Not had anything today. Coxie had a catfish and a carp. Hayden hasn't had anything today either. So I think Hayden's on 5, Coxie's on 6 or 7, and 15 or 16. So ain't been a bad session. Enjoyed it, had a good laugh. So there we go. We'll see what next time we go fishing brings.